Hi all, it's Julianne here from Fizzy Face. We're going to do a bee. This is a bee body balloon, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to inflate it, maybe 1.5 pumps. One, yeah, about there. Let out a tiny bit of air. That's it, tie it off. Ask the child which colour wings they would like. They can have any coloured wings. Hold that under your arm whilst you're making it, or you can get the child to hold it for you. Okay, let a little bit of air out, twist that off. Now we're going to tie that together. There we go, tie it off. And then we're just going to push this balloon once I've tied it up. That would be good. A little bit fiddly. There we go. Oh man, it shouldn't take that long. Oh, out of practice. Okay, there we go. All right, push that in half. Pinch that. Grab your bee body, pinch that around there, and you just mush it together. See, I'm just squeezing it together. Twist the whole thing around together, and that is it. That is how you do a bee. So I twisted it in about 5 times to make sure it doesn't come undone. I like that shape. And then I asked the kid, would you like a happy bee or an angry bee? Most of the time they say a happy bee, so then I know to draw a smile on them. But I'll show you what an angry bee looks like. I think he's really cute actually. And then I do that sort of face. But no one ever asks for an angry bee. I'm so devo. Oh, there is an angry bee, and then just some stripes like this. And that's it. That is the bumblebee. And I have one very patient child here waiting to take his balloon. There you go. What do you say? Say thank you? You can have it. Go on. Take the balloon. Take it. Take it. What you got? You got the bee. He's got the bee. Hey, got the bee? Take it. No? Did it sting you? All right, no bee then. Oh, there we go. Who goes with the bee? Oh, bad camera work, trying to do it myself. Happy balloon twisting.